Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demo a very cool software. If you're not familiar with my channel, I will really suggest go to the site and you'll be able to see all kinds of different tutorials and videos, and feel free to learn new things and also subscribe as you go along. So I think a couple of weeks back I have created a demo video about a smart quiz software. If you didn't have a chance, I will really suggest go ahead look at this demo. It's basically a Python based software that I wrote that you can use to kind of like show quizzes and also ask the student the answer and then show corresponding student that was able to get the answer with a nice feature and interface that shows the students with a star and all that, cool stuff, with even a picture. And of course, the nice thing is it's a free code. You can even go and download that code after watching the video, and then you can run it yourself and see for yourself how you can change it and do certain things. Now today I'm going to show you an advanced version of that software, which actually is not text based. It is more like a GUI based, so it is a little more advanced. So let's get started. So basically, once you obtain the software, the zip file, you will unzip it, and it should unzip in a directory called, or subdirectory rather, called trivia_GUI, and you will have a whole bunch of files, and there is the files right here that you're gonna have. Other than that, this is just a created cache, but it's not many files, but again, these are very capable. The main file that you're looking for is star.py. It'll have instructions and everything as well. So this is the starter program, and then this file basically deals with the list of students. You can put like the name of the students and the corresponding ID, and if you want to show the pictures of the students with the ID, you can literally put all of their pictures in here. Right now I just have a placeholder, so as you can see, different pictures can go in here with their ID. And just to show you the file, the Excel file looks like this, and here is a sample name. And these are the IDs, and these are basically the name of their pictures without the PNG extension. So that's how the software picks up the students or their pictures and everything. And then the list of questions are very simply, you can just put it as a plain text file. As you can see right here, the text file is very simply formatted. The first line have the question, and then space, this arrow sign, another space, and which choices actually is the correct answer. That's what this is denoted by. So then the next lines, or the corresponding lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the possible answer of a multiple choice question. That is this one, and 1 basically means this is the correct answer. So you can put this in format as many questions as you want. Multiple choice being one choice being the correct one, and these are all those questions formatted the same way. Some of the questions about Python. The third is the correct choice, so this is the correct choice, and so on. So that's how you can build the questions. You can keep building it, and the software will automatically pick it up. So the neat thing about this version of the software is you don't need to do any of that stuff manually. You can do everything from the GUI itself. So that is where the beauty comes in. So let's go ahead and start looking into it. All right, the way you launch the software is, of course, you do Python and the starter file, which is this, and this is how it looks like. As you could see, that initially all you do get is very simple interface. You get to see all of those questions that is already there, and you can look each one of them, and it actually shows the question and then each of the possible answers, and thus the correct answer is this too. This is the correct answer, so you can see it. But of course, when you are asking the questions to the student, you can actually don't need to show this window though, because the trivia will be shown in a different window, so you can actually put it in a different monitor and only share that monitor. So that's how you can actually separate it out. Now there's only two simple buttons. One is you can start the trivia, the question and answer session, or you can add new question. So I'm going to go to the add new question first. By the way, you can also edit and delete. You can do all that as well, but I'm going to come to that in a second. Let's go ahead and try to add a question. Let's say I'm going to just try to add another question like, what is programming? So you put your question, and then these are disabled. As soon as you start typing, you will enabled automatically. So I say it is for fun. Okay, that's one choice. And enable us to learn new technology. It's another one, and then none of the above. And say 1 and 2. Well, this is obviously the answer probably. So I'm just going to go ahead and say OK, and there it is. As you can see, it automatically picked up the next index, Q11 text, and there's a question. It tells you that answer is 4, and all that stuff is always good. And of course, you can edit it. I can go back and double click on it, and then it just brings back that question up, and then you can add more stuff. So I can actually add more stuff, or I can change things. It says gun. Okay, it should be really fun. So let's go ahead and change that, and of course that got changed, as you can see. So that's how you could do it. And of course, I don't want to ask this question, so you can, the way you delete it is you highlight that and just press the delete button, and it will ask you, do you really want to delete it? And you can just say yes or no or whatever. So I'm going to say yes, and it's going to get rid of it, and the file is gone actually as well. Okay, so that's that, and this is how you ask the whole trivia. And if you have seen the older version with the text page, this is exactly the same. The only difference is it shows up in a different window. So let's say you are in a settings where you got 2 monitors and you want to share one of them to the students because you wanted to ask that question. The other one, you want to see the answers. So you can have it that way too. So I'm going to ask the question to the students to start the trivia. There you go.
Hello class. Welcome to Xena's Python Trivia for Computer Science 101 at ICS University on the final day. Today I will test your Python skills. Yeah. I am so excited. Finally I get to ask question about the language that gave me existence. Are you ready for the first question?
And there it is. It gives you the prompt. You just say, yes, sure, I'm going to ask the first question.
Let me think about the first question. Okay. Here is the first question. Question 1. Which of the following statement is not true about programming languages? 1. The interpreter compiles each statement of the program written in interpreted languages. 2. Python, PHP, and Java are examples of interpreted languages. 3. Interpreted languages are slower but portable. 4. C, Fortran, and Pascal are examples of compiled languages. 5. Interpreted languages are run line by line without any compilation. 6. Compiled languages are faster but not easily portable. Students, raise your hand please if you would like to try the answer. Mr. Islam, please select student's name and their answer.
And here you get to choose the student name. So by default there's something chosen, but I can choose this, and I know the right answer is number 1, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose that one. And if you choose the wrong one, of course, it will tell you the wrong answer.
Responded 3. Interpreted languages are slower but portable. Sorry, that is not the correct answer. Someone else please try again. Mr. Islam, please select student's name and their answer.
So I'm going to put a different student, and this is the right answer. And at any point you can of course stop it if you want. So
Freddie Ayres responded choice 1. The interpreter compiles each statement of the program written in interpreted languages. You are absolutely right. Mr. Islam, please reward Freddie Ayres.
There you go. I'm sorry.
Should I proceed with the next question?
And here, of course, you can keep going, and it'll keep going to the next question. It will ask, but I'm not going to proceed. I'm just going to say no.
I am done. How did I do so far?
And here, I'm just going to say you did great.
Aha. Great. Really? Thank you. It was nice serving you and the class throughout the semester. Based on my analysis, I found all of you to be great listeners. Always keep your programming skills sharp. You all have a great holiday. Goodbye.
There you go. So it comes back, and then of course, that's all. It's pretty simple, as you could see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of it. That was it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link and all the relevant places that you can download the software in the description below. If this video added any value, or the skill added any value to your day-to-day technical skills, please do subscribe and hit that like button, and also hit that bell icon so that you can see more and more videos in the upcoming weeks. The next video I'm planning to do is basically I'm going to go ahead and extend this employee vaccination management where I added the reports. Now I'm going to add the chart. So that would be my next upcoming video. So wait for it and just look forward to it. Thanks again. Bye now.